Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to customize chat themes and bubble colors in WhatsApp. So let's get started with the video. So basically, you can set different wallpapers for each chat. For that, you need to open WhatsApp and go to the chat you want to customize. Here you need to tap on the three dots menu that you will see at the upper right side. After that, you will see an option of chat theme. You need to click on here. From here you can set various chat themes over here. You can customize from here, and also under customization you can customize the chat color and wallpaper. You can click on the chat color and choose that particular color which you want to set. As you can see here, the chat color has been changed to sky blue. You can customize it from here. You will see different colors. You can choose according to your need. Once you have done that, here you will see an option of adjusting the color of that, adjust the brightness and color. If needed, you can set this as well, and after that you can click on the green icon, the green right icon that you will see at the upper right side, and click on set chat color. After that you will see another option for customization, that is a wallpaper. You can choose the multiple wallpapers that you see over here, else you can also choose it from your gallery if you want to set a picture from there. For example, right now I'm selecting this picture, and make sure that you free up space for this. Your WhatsApp should have enough storage in order to customize this chat wallpapers and use it. Once you have done it, you can click on the right icon and then click on set wallpaper. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.